Hey guys, what's up? Muscle here, and in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install Visual Studio Code and set it up to use HTML on Visual Studio Code. In my previous video, we talked about HTML and what is HTML basically. And if you haven't watched it yet, link in the description. So now, without wasting any further ado, let me just type Visual Studio Code. I'll give the link in the description as well so you can download it through that as well. So I will be downloading Windows because currently I'm working on Windows, and if you're a Mac user or a Linux user you can download as per your requirements. So I'll not show you the process how to download it because I have showed you in my Python tutorials video, so you can go check it out. Now just click on next and install Visual Studio Code. So what you will be able to see is an interface like this. First go on to files and then open a folder. I'm going to select HTML tutorials and click on select. Now after doing this we have created a folder and imported it to Visual Studio Code. Now what we need is an extension to run our HTML codes. So come over here, as you can see. Here I'll type live server, as you can see over here, and then click on install. It may take a bit of time. Yeah, so we are here. Now we have our live server over here. After doing this, if we click over here, new file, and write, let's say main.html, so it creates an HTML file. So this is how we create an HTML file in Visual Studio Code. Now, if you don't want to install HTML on your PC, instead you want to access HTML through web, there's a way to do that. Let me just show you. So over here, if I write codepen.io, I'll mention the link in the description as well. So over here, you can sign up and just start with it. Now I logged in my codepen.io, and now I'll click on this pen, as you can see over here. Click on the pen, and over here you can access the HTML thing. So I told you two ways to access HTML. Either you can install it on your PC or access it through the web. So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.